Now, importance of adaptive radiation. Well, of course, for evolutionary studies, it has a very important role in evolutionary studies, because if you study adaptive radiation, because this is the story of evolution, right? It provides deeper insights into the mechanisms of evolution, yes, how evolution took place, including natural selection, speciation, genetic drift. These were all the turning points in the story, right? There was genetic drift, there was speciation, variations got accumulated, led to speciation, and nature selected certain features. This is why certain organisms, they adapted and they survived, whereas others didn't. So this gives a broad picture of evolution, and this helps in evolutionary studies. As I told you, phylogenetics, cladistics, yes, the relationships, evolutionary origins, they can be traced, and this is how we can get a very holistic idea of evolution.
Before we proceed, I have something very important to tell you. Please listen carefully. Anthroholic has launched its complete study material for anthropology optional. This includes complete notes for paper 1, complete notes for paper 2, all the previous year questions from 1985 till the latest exam. And everything in these notes is arranged topic wise, properly organized. Also, this material is regularly updated with latest case studies and current affairs. You can check it out from the link in the description below. Also, if you would like to connect with us, you can join us on Telegram and Instagram at Anthroholic. Thank you. Please make sure to subscribe to this channel as well.
Now, conservation again. This also finds an important implication in conservation studies. Knowledge of adaptive radiation can aid in conservation efforts. How? By highlighting the importance of preserving diverse habitats that support multiple ecological niches. Because let's say in an island, there are multiple ecological niches. That is why many different species are surviving, right? They all came, let's say, millions of years ago, and they inhabited a particular ecological niche, or let's say a particular habitat, and they adapted according to the need of that habitat. Let's say now this habitat is getting destroyed because of many factors. There can be anthropological factors, human induced factors as well. So we have to protect this. If we want to protect the biodiversity of the planet, we need to somehow protect these habitats, because these were the habitats. These habitats were the driving forces behind adaptive radiation, and they had this major role to play in the story of evolution. So for conservation, knowledge of adaptive radiation is very important. And also, not just this, for biodiversity, adaptive radiation, as I told you, is a major driver of biodiversity. So many diverse birds were formed from common ancestors. Yes, from a few points, we made so many lines. We made such a complex network, such a diverse plethora of species, right? Leading to the creation of many new species with unique adaptations. So yes, it is important for biodiversity and for ecological dynamics. Adaptive radiation helps in understanding how ecosystems evolve and maintain stability through the diversification and specialization of species. So yes, ecological dynamics also involves adaptive radiation. So this is how important adaptive radiation is, and it shaped the story of evolution. So this brings us to the end of this video on adaptive radiation.
Thanks for watching this video. Please make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and join our Telegram for regular updates. I'll see you in the next one.